Wolverine Stack. You hear a lot of people on social media and YouTube talking about Wolverine Stack and peptides. So what is it exactly? Wolverine Stack is actually a name that was given to a combination of two peptides, one of them being BPC-157 and the other one is TB500. What are peptides? We've actually done a video to explain peptides, their safety, and all things you need to know before thinking of a peptide. Before I go any further, this video is for educational purposes. It's not meant to give you any medical advice. If you need medical advice, please consult with your own doctor. So these two peptides are involved in the tissue healing and repair. First one is BPC-157, which is a body protective compound. It's isolated from the gastric acids. It's one of the reasons why our stomach has got such a strong lining that is not affected by very strong acids. It's due to this. So what does it do? It's involved in tissue repair, healing, etc. 157 is a snippet of the one that comes naturally. So it's not the exact same structure. One of the benefits of it is, at least reported in literature through animal studies, is it helps with healing the tissue. It helps with, for example, ligaments and tendons, as well as the gut, as we mentioned, by protecting that lining. In terms of safety, it's something that involves increase in blood supply in the area. So big question mark is if a patient has a cancer. So that's something that needs to be investigated before thinking of, self-medicating, for instance. One of the other peptides that's part of the Wolverine Stack is called TB500, which is a derivative of Thymosin Beta-4, which is a immune modulator that comes naturally, which is involved in cell migration, as well as sort of repair and inflammation. So our body produces Thymosin Beta-4, if there's injuries, if there's, for it to help repair. So there's also very limited human trials. It's mostly based on animal studies. So the reason these two are being called, referred to as Wolverine Stack is when combined, some people have found out that they recover quicker from injury, whether it's a tendonitis or a ligament injury or a sprained ankle or even fractures, in some cases. But this is all anecdotal, and there remains data to be reported and published. So one of the big questions, if you're one of those people that wanna, that are thinking about peptide, is the first question is that it is unregulated, so it's not something that's being produced by pharmaceutical companies. So where are you getting the peptide? If it's an online provider, I'd be very cautious. The purity of it is what you're buying exactly what it says on the tin. A lot of the time with these unregulated manufacturers, you're not getting that product. There's going to be other things in there. Need to be aware of long-term side effects. We don't know. There's very little safety data about these. So is it safe to inject these peptides? What is the right dosing? Because there is no full research behind it. Dosing isn't exactly known. And obviously, if you are an athlete or someone who does sports for a living, then these are completely bound by the regulators. So there is a great prospect to these two peptides, and that's why they've been branded the Wolverine Stack. First results, at least reported anecdotally, showing really great tissue repair and healing, and sometimes injuries that might take weeks, might heal quicker. But the big question is it safe to use? We don't have enough safety data to say yes. If you want to listen to more videos like this, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in future videos.